Imagine turning every page on your site into a magnet that pulls customers in without you having to lift a finger. I was once like most marketers, juggling copy, design, and analytics, trying to keep up with a world that never stops. Then I discovered AI content tools, and everything shifted. They promised speed, scale, and a new level of creativity. And they delivered, but not exactly the way I expected. First, the output was clever but shallow. It read like a script written by an algorithm that knew the keywords, but not the heart of my brand. Second, I noticed the SEO benefits, but the content still felt generic to my audience. I needed a tool that could learn my tone, my style, and my unique value proposition. That's when I stumbled upon Distribb. It was a revelation. An AI SEO system that turns a website into a customer acquisition engine. I fed it my product details, connected my Shopify store, and watched it churn out tailored copy that resonated with each segment. The real magic? It didn't just write. It analyzed search intent, identified gaps, and suggested long-tail phrases that my competitors missed. And because it works hand in hand with WordPress, Webflow, Wix, or even a plain webhook, it feels like a teammate that never takes a lunch break. Within weeks, my traffic climbed, my bounce rate dropped, and the sales conversation started to feel less like a pitch and more like a partnership. But the most profound shift was in how I approached copy. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I now draft a brief, my brand voice, the key message, the call to action, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's like having a research assistant who writes, a data analyst who tells you what works, and a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Now I focus on strategy, on building relationships, and on listening to what my customers truly need. If you're still stuck in the old cycle of endless drafting and revising, consider giving AI a chance to rewrite the playbook. Just remember, the real power lies not in the tool, but in how you use it to amplify your story. So pick up the pen, or the AI, whichever feels right, and start writing a future where every visitor becomes a loyal fan. Ask yourself, what story do you want your site to tell, and how will you let the world hear it? Remember, AI is a tool, not a crutch. Use it to sharpen your vision, not replace it. In the end, voice, authenticity, and empathy will win.